Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to my channel. I made a journal with a difference this time. This one is a vampire journal. And I love it, love it, love it, love it. I've been wanting to work on one for ages, and I seen a lovely lady by the name of Linsel put up her journal the other day. This journal has got a hollow back. It's a Nick the Booksmith cover. It's got the door handle. I love how it turned out. It's a journal with a difference, I guess. It's the vampires. In the front of the journal, I have got a large tag where I hold lots of ephemera. I use kits from various artists. I can't remember everybody, but I know Linsel's is one of her kits. I used this is all done on parchment paper. Oh no, oh no. My thread's stuck there. It's beautiful prints. And I also use Elsie Bell. I think Curo Digitals as well. But most of the ephemera is from different designers. Now, so, I don't know what happened there. There's a tuck in there, and then a tuck in there. This is from Linsel. I don't know where all the journaling cards come from, because some I had in my stash. But I really loved making this. It's just a journal with a difference, really. I like it. It's very different for me. I'm really starting to want to do different. And I enjoy doing different. So I'll be making some more vampire journals. Really, really enjoy them. Got some ideas from Linsel as well. All the pages have been sewn around. There was another lady, Digitals I used, but honestly I can't remember. It's got a lot of journaling cards, and I didn't overdo them because I wanted to allow you, the purchaser, or whoever gets this journal, to play with it and do what you like. We all got different tastes, and that's what I accounted for in this journal, for the different tastes. I really love how it turned out. I love the colours. You know, the colours is what actually makes this journal. And they're gorgeous. It really, really come up better than I thought it would. And that's, like I said, there's a lot of journaling cards. I didn't show all around the journaling cards. Like I said, this is the sort of journal that you want to play with and do what you like with, not what I want to do with. I mean, I did a lot of things to it that you might want to do. This is from Ellie Bell. Aren't the kits gorgeous? There's plenty on Etsy on vampires. Lots of journaling cards. There's lots. Postcards and whatnot. I want to make sure that you had plenty to play with. It's just gorgeous. And it's too hard to name all the digital kits because I can't remember them all. But I know the main ones was Ali Bell, Elsie, Ali Bell, Ali from the bookshelf, I should say. And they're gorgeous. And they just all goes so well with each other. Like I said, it's all been zigzagged. It's just been really, really decked out. I've enjoyed doing this. A lot of hours went into it. I had to sort of scramble and do it in between looking after my grandson. But isn't it gorgeous? And I love these reds. I really do. It just goes. It really just goes. And the greys and the blacks. Again, lots of journaling cards. It's just gorgeous. It really, truly is a gorgeous kit. A postcard. And then there's, you got your tuck there. With various ephemera. Like I said, it's chock full of ephemera. Oh, excuse me. Oh, excuse me. There's your book plate, so you can use that to write in between the pages. And that's got a very vintage page there. It's even signed in that from 1920 something. But I attached it to that book page. Again, lots of journaling cards. So I don't know whose kit that is from. But I really enjoyed doing this. This was an amazing journal to do. I love the ladies. You notice I didn't put any ribbons on the tags because I didn't want to bulk it up in a way that you can't utilise this journal and do things that you want to do with it. So if you want to put ribbon on them, well, there's plenty of room. And I mean plenty of room. Journaling cards. Lots of them. Like it's been sewn around. It's just gorgeous. And here I've done a little tuck with journaling cards again. So you can journal. It's all been sewn. And there's another tuck here. And that goes right in there as your tuck. Really enjoyed it. So this is a velvet cover. If you see it that way, you'll see how nice it actually looks. And that way. And you'll see the hollow back. And you see the spine. It just looks like a door. But it's just, I love it. I love how it turned out. I love the colours. I love how it stands up straight. You can have this anywhere in your house and that's going to look good. I don't know about everyone liking vampires, but I actually do. I just think this went really well. Like I said, I got some of the ideas from Linsel. I don't know if that's her first name, but some of these ideas come from her. The other ideas come from myself. But I love the doorknob. It's very vintage, very old, very rustic. And that's the back of the journal. And you've got all the threads hanging. It's just a really nice journal. But anyway, thanks for watching and liking and subscribing to my channel. Like I said, it's a journal with a difference for me. And I really enjoyed doing it. So thanks for watching. See you next time.